Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing the Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelash Kit. This is my first time ever using any magnetic eyelash, so I'm not sure what to expect. I have nothing to compare it to. That is my disclaimer. It's supposed to be super easy, and we will see. I'm not crazy about magnetic eyelashes because of my fear of them falling out when I'm out and about, but I think as I've gotten older, I move less when I'm out, I think is the best way to say it. I think when I was younger, I was more concerned about, you know, if you're out dancing and then they fall out, if you're sweating, things like that. So I think now with just doing like a quick dinner, this is a good idea. Or if you're just trying to amp up your look, it's definitely a great option because you're not putting as much effort into with falsies, hopefully, right? All right. The Magnetic Eyeliner Eyelash Kit. And it's basically super easy, according to them. You see, everything comes already for you. Normally, most of us already have one of these, but it's nice that they give you one. And then the eyeliner, I guess, is the magnetic part. You shake it, shake it, shake it. And I'm assuming as well that you are going to pre-measure the lashes to make sure that they are a good size for you. But just feeling this now, I love it. I like that it's not plasticky. So for example, when I use my falsies, which I put them away here, I got this at Ulta. Super cute, useful. A lot of them come with like a plastic one and it's very flimsy. So it's nice that this is metal and you can hear it. All right, comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 designs. Really nice. They're definitely volumizing. I'm not sure if that is a word. All right, just off the bat, they seem very stiff. So I'm not used to that. I usually like it to be malleable. If you guys can see, there is some magnetic strips on there. And then when you store it, it kind of clicks back in, which is nice. All right, cool. All right, anywho, so it says apply 2 layers of eyeliner at least and let it dry. Basically, you put it on your eye as an eyeliner, not on the eyelash. Okay. Eyeliner. Oh God, this is really weird in front of the camera, but. That's cool. Let that dry. It helps that I obviously put on eyeliner before that. Okay. Let it dry, huh? Let it dry, let it dry. Let it dry. And then according to them, this is gonna stick. I was interested in trying them because nowadays with quarantine, there's not a lot of outside action going on, so I don't worry if they're gonna fall off in the long run, depending on how late I'm out or I'm not out at late anymore. So this is good for like a quick, maybe 3-hour dinner. Hopefully that's what it lasts. It'll be good for. So this should stick, I said. Never try something in front of my phone. So that's really weird for me. I think I need another mirror. All right. Okay, so with this, you know what? I think I may not have put eyeliner very well. So I'm finding that it's easiest when I just literally squeeze the lash into my lash. But the end part is not sticking very well. Let me try this eye. If I didn't put my eyeliner on right, that's obviously going to affect. See, this one was way easier. This one was kind of quote-unquote clicked. But you see the right one is not as. I think I need to redo that one. All right, well, this is the right one. Not bad, not bad. Let this one dry. Yeah, as I said, I love that they snap back into place to store. I think this looks awesome, but I don't know how confident I am being in public with these. So we will see. I'm gonna go to dinner and move the way I normally do without worrying if they're gonna fall off. And we will see. So, see, I don't know. I feel that they look a little fake for me. But maybe if I did a better job putting them on. What do you guys think? All right, well, yes. So far, ease was a little better if I had to use my own camera to put the eyeliner on. But other than that, I think I can do this. I like it. And as an update, they ended up sticking through all of dinner and the rest of evening, and I was able to easily remove them and store them properly. So definitely looking forward to using these again. Give it 2 thumbs up.